The Ornis budding excursion.
Northwards of Malindi, if you continue several hours up, you get to different towns called Minjila, Garsen, and within all those places we'll have target areas that we'll visit. Apollo arrives. Day one, time to get going.
We are here.
Yep.
Good morning, Peter.
Yeah, morning. How are you?
Very fine, thank you.
Okay.
With my 5 years, the man from Nairobi. Welcome here. Good morning. How are you?
Very fine.
The full team is in there. Meet them.
Oh, bye.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. So today is day 1 of 1, starting the search for the lost birds, aka Tana Cisticola and the Red Weaver. So we are now here taking our breakfast at Paradise Lagoons here in Watamu, and the car is fully packed with everything. And let me show you the full team over here. Yes, there we are, Paradise Lagoons, Paradise Lagoon, and yeah, it's nice to be here and start our day. Full team is here, full brothers, enjoying breakfast, some greetings in the morning. Hi everyone. Hello. You're there? Ready for day 1 of 1 breakfast. Yeah, guys, the place really looks promising. It's raining on us. This is our home for now. We are moving.
Huyu sasa kwa dunia nzima huyu anaitwa Tana River Cisticola. This whole area. But the last record was 1972. 1967, but the actual sample collected was in 1932 at a place called Karawa in Lower Tana. And then there's another specimen that exists in the same museum at Ijara, and a third at Mnazinia, again in Lower Tana, then at Sangole, which is east of the Tana River. And then there's a couple of other specimens that one comes from south of Garissa. The specimen, the area was not described very clearly. And then there's Colin and Stewart, quoting them in 1985, 5 miles south of Garsen. And then there's 3 miles south of Garsen. And then again there's Karawa, again by Forbes Watson, which I believe is the last record in 4th of September 1972. It's to get to a very small bit of Kenya, which borders Somalia. Now the trouble with that is that it's also one of the most insecure places in Kenya, and there's a notorious forest called Boni Forest, which we'll have to attempt to go to. So the idea was we catch up and we attempt to get them, and which is what we did. So we formed a small WhatsApp group, which is probably what you're looking at right now, and quite a lot of support from different people, Jeremy Linsell, Colin Jackson, sharing some of the possibilities, and obviously we created a working itinerary. One of the things that we obviously cognizant of is in the 1960s the spread of madenge. Madenge is a shrub, Prosopis juliflora. I think it's called Neltuma juliflora. It's called madenge. It wasn't as dominant then, so the landscape has significantly changed because the team got to meet each other, and then we developed an itinerary. And the idea was we would organize all logistics on 29th. So the initial team, that's me, Paul Cabere, the big man, Apollo, James, and Kenyan brother Simon Odhiambo. So after doing our initial shopping, we converged at a town called Hindi, which is right at the edge of where vehicles would be allowed without formal security arrangements. And we got two very good locals, one in charge of a conservancy within the area who was well known in the area. And then we met the chief, because the chief is supposed to be the person who authorizes for the security to travel to different places. We also got letters from Kenya Bird Map and Nature Kenya, because that's part of the requirement to travel down. And then unfortunately we couldn't all travel together because of security. The idea was we were too many. 5 of us in 4 motorbikes in a convoy is very big. There are roads in that place which, for all intents and purposes, with a 4-wheel drive you could drive, but there are improvised explosive devices on the road, so it's advisable that you leave your vehicle at Hindi and then you take the motorbikes, which are able to maneuver through much smaller paths and are not prone to being exploded by IEDs. The real forest, which is Boni Forest. So Apollo and Simon Odhiambo, we gave them priority. Simon is an excellent brother and Apollo is the owner of the project. We thought that the two would pair well, and we would be able to get that up and running. So
wanaenda na motorbike, wanataka motorbike. Wale wanataka ni walikuwa wanasema wanafikia barua ya motorbike sini
Yeah, this place is flooded, but we have to go anyway. These guys are tough. It's beautiful, cute here. Cruising this place. Our last day in Boni. Oh, saddle will stop. Ukipita hapo mbele usimame. Saddle will a nice saddle will stop. Oh wow. Aya. We. The fight is fierce. Hapana. Oh, kuna wako? Oh, basi msaidie.
Actually, don't even need a sugar.
oh, you're enjoying the coffee, yeah? Okay.
So hot. Very nice.
Went to Ishakbini Conservancy.
Okay, guys, this is day 3. End of day 3. We just arrived to the campsite. I'm gonna take you around and yeah, let's see. But first, look at the sunset. Okay, it's not the sunset yet, but it's coming down. So let's go and have a chat about today. Okay, so Victor.
Hey, yeah, this is day 3. Beginning to get a little tired. Today was nice at Ishakbidi. Very beautiful birds. I think the highlight for me was a green malkoha down by the Tana river, and just driving around was really good. So the habitat is not the right habitat. I think the Cisticola would prefer more open grasslands, but the birding was good. We had some great photos and looking forward to tomorrow.
All right, perfect.
Yeah.
Let's go now to James. You can see James is preparing his tea right now. So yeah, we just set up camp. You can see tents, hammock, right there. Okay, James.
Yep.
How do you feel about today?
I'm excited, still looking for the roast Tana River Cisticola. Still have some few hours for today. If not today, tomorrow. Yeah.
Perfect.
All well.
Perfect.
Yeah.
For sure. We have to get it. We have to get it up because there's no way we're living here without finding the Cisticola. So.
Oh, kuna samaki hapa. Oh, this community doesn't eat.
Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top, but the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records pay. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah. Can't quit flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing, yeah, y'all be lame things. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah, my people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing, I'm gon' keep on burning track. Do you get what I mean? I got faith in my dream. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah. Can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer
Simon looking for the red weaver. We are just hearing stories that we've seen around here, but we haven't got a glimpse on it. But yeah, we're still rocking, still moving. Now here at Mangai, we're just fishing team. And with many good people in the background.
Memories rewind and intertwine. Assimilate, save, assimilate, suffocate, assimilate. Fragments flashing out of sync, code corrupted, broken links. Circuit power, hard reboot, stuck inside a never-ending rage. Assimilate, mutilate, rage, assimilate, mutilate. Save, assimilate, suffocate, rage, assimilate, mutilate. I'm glitching out, I'm glitching out. I'm glitching. It's over now.
Yes, guys, finally, team Red Weaver here at Mangai, just between Mangai and Murarani. We've finally rocked in our Red Weaver. Congratulations to the big team here. One of the team member with a gun. He is one of those guys who participated in 14 years ago to see the Red Weaver with Flangweno. He still remembers Flangweno up to today. So it's been an amazing day. Morning, seeing the Weaver in the first place, that's a big deal. Now we want to get good photos, quality photos. We are trying now. Yeah, we have some 3 females and 2 males. Good sound recording of both male and the female. Yeah, and just around us, this is the kind of habitat we are in. It's a beautiful place. Nice.
My bones, reminding me I am alone. Can't escape this terror scream. Can't decipher this directive dream. Suffocate. I'm glitching.
Yeah, can't fool flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence take it all. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a Moby. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top, but the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, 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 came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a Moby. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing. Yeah, y'all be lame things. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah, my people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing. I'm gonna keep on burning track. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah, so guys, apparently I carried my tent. That's my tent now being packed by manager. We call him manager, and he's our manager for the whole safari here. So apparently I carried my tent to sleep, but manager said no, we've been provided a place to sleep, so we slept here. Beautiful place to be in. So yeah, and that's the big man himself, the Kenyan brother.
The tools of trade.
The tools of trade. Trading the birds. Yeah, it's been amazing to just be here at Basuba. And yes, a small city or small town of Basuba. It's a nice place to be. It's been nice. What I liked is the goats. The goats are sleeping on a high roof. So that's the goats' place. The goats stay over there. I think I can see some goats. Apparently, the entire area is not fenced, but we heard krokuta hyena calling in the night just nearby, and now these trees, these are the meeting places. They meet here, the locals. It's been amazing to be here for sure. It's time to leave, go to the next place. Wapi? Yani mbona widowbird moja? I think pantel kule nyuma wakati ulikuwa unapiga kama in vita. Yeah. Yes, so guys, this is the mode of transport. Now the road is too bad here. We have to let the motorbikes go past and we follow. Yeah. And that's our mode of transport in this place. Yes. Budding in Boni Forest. You know what? You call it Boni Forest, but this place is not forest. This is just a mixed grassland on more of a flood plain. Yeah, but it's very nice. A good experience to be here with the budding team. Wow, the road is rolling here. Yeah, we are now heading back to Hindi. After the mission successful for Red River. So Red River is called by the Boni language Shongwe Kudude. Such a beautiful name to call a bird. Yeah, just two names. But yeah, it's amazing. Been very, very good. I'm hearing, seeing different flags flying around. Some Pangadillo clothes also flying around. Yeah, I'm hearing blackback puffback also calling from the background. Yeah, but the place is really beautiful. beautiful. Look at that. So amazing place to be. And the team is here. And that's the road. The road is just one single trail. When you have to, yeah, it's just a beautiful place to be. Look at that. The grasslands. It's amazing.
We just
Those nice towns. Yeah, we've been to Kiangwe, the first center, and moving to Kiangwe to Basuba. It's like going from a different country. From Basuba, looked for a bird. We went further to Mangai, and the further you go, the more the security becomes tighter. But luckily, we found our red weaver in Mangai. There were 6 of them. We were very happy. Our heart is full of joy. Joy to the world. Yeah, so Basuba is the main town. It's a small center that gave birth to Mangai, which is the first town from here, and gave birth to Mangai, and also gave birth to Mararani, which would have been our last stopover, but we cancelled it because our motorbike guys and our guides were like, no, if their instinct tells them no, you stop it. But next time you want to go to Mararani and see what's there too, see more red weavers. But yeah, we are satisfied for the find, again for the discovery of them. It's amazing. It was new to many people in the community, and also not new to all the guys who have been there for the longest time. Now we're heading back to Hindi, meet our second team. So the one recording the video is the Kenyan brother himself. I'm going to meet our second team so that we can talk, see what how has it been with the Tana Cisticola, and re-strategize for another Cisticola days, about 3 or 4 more days. Then we'll come to an end of the Lost Bird Kenyan chapter. So see you guys. Let's enjoy nature. Let's enjoy birds, photographing them, sound recording. It's amazing. Ornis birding. We are here. Bye guys. Nice. Finally here at the best place, Dununi. Taking the boat now, Barigoni boat to Barigoni, then back to Hindi. The long day is here. The only way of transport is through motorbike. So it's been nice being here every day. Oh, that's our boat. Want to pack everything. Want to pack our bikes. This one and this one here. Then now head out for another 4 more days safari. I'm looking for our Tana Cisticola, possibly. And that's the big man himself. The big man himself. You are here. You're going to Barigoni. And you're using Barigoni to Maini boat.
yes,
Going back to the mainland. You know, we are like Boni Forest going back to Hindi. It's like you're coming from a different part of Kenya. Now you're going to Kenya itself. Yeah, then meet our friends. Yeah, we're almost home. Want to look for 1 more bird. Want to try our best. Then we keep going. Yeah, big man himself here is here. Yes. Hii sasa wewe peke yako. Wenye ulisema. Wewe wenye ulisema ni ndani.
satisfied.
Ask our shoes. Ask our shoes.
Nimeua bwana.
Serviette.
Hata ningekonfirm ISO yangu uko juu ama uko chini?
Ask